Good day, viewers. Pwalpar here. Look at that poor, pitiful hydrangea bush. It's just about gone. I thought the plant had some kind of disease, and it has been suffering because of lack of rain here lately. And I'll tell you what happened last night, and it brings up a new project for me. My driveway alarm went off, so I got up and looked out the front door to see what was going on, and there was a deer out here. He came straight over here and ate my hydrangea bush. Then he strolled down through here like this is his own private dining room. Drank all the water out of the bird bath. Munched on my rose bushes. I don't know if he ate on those down there or not. Looked in the bird seed over here. Started eating bird food off the ground. So it brings up a project. I need to put a watering hole for the deer out back somewhere. He drank all the water out of the bird bath. And there's been no rain around here lately at all, so imagine the deer do get thirsty when there ain't no humidity and condensation on the leaves at night for them to eat off the wet grass. Doesn't get wet at all at night when there's no humidity. So I'll make them a water hole out back. This is going to be an upcoming project. Just thought I'd share the little deer's dining room story with you. He had real long antlers. I guess it was one that some of our viewers used to call Spike. Anyway, when we get the water hole set up out back, we'll put one of the trail cameras on it and see what comes to the drink at night. Well, it's late in the afternoon now. I couldn't find a better container, so I'm going to use this one for now to make my little watering hole. I thought I'd get close enough to the boathouse here where I can put one of my trail cameras, see what would come to here, yet be close enough to where the deer can see it out here and come investigate. This is a little waterfall pond that used to go to the koi pond I had. You can see the big koi pond laying over there on the firewood pile. I'm going to fill it up with water. We're going to set up the camera for a day or two. If they do start coming to this thing for water, which I'm sure the animals need because there's no nearby streams or ponds, if they use it, I'll give them water from time to time and maybe put me some rocks around it, maybe a couple of flowers or something, and make it look more cool than what this is. This is good enough for a trial run. I know if the deer will drink out water out of the bird bath around there, which is full of bird poo, he must be pretty darn thirsty. So let's hook up the camera here, give this thing a trial run. We'll call today's video Setting Up the Water Hole. I could put some corn out here for him too, but well, let's see. I might just do that. I might put a little corn out here too. All right, my friends, I got one of my cameras hooked up on that pole. Got the water thing here. Let's get some corn. Set it out. Well, we got ourselves a little bit of a cloud burst coming up here. It ain't gonna rain much, just a little thunderstorm going by. It drizzles not even enough to wet the car. I got a little corn here. Let's put it right over here. And a little bit right here. All right, deer, come and get it. We're gonna find out. Come and get it. That'll conclude my vlog for today. If nothing comes, I just wasted a few minutes, that's all.